Okay, I'm gonna give this one more try. So, I finally got it to print. That plug. I finally got that to print yesterday, last night. Took it into work this morning. It's too small. I made a math mistake, and as I was driving home from work, I had realized that there would have been a simple way to do it. Still using the same tool. So when I did this the other day, I did. Oh, let's turn this down. That seemed a little loud. There. Let's see here. Decibels. Okay, I'm at -40, and I'm talking at -20, so I can turn that down some. Again, that's just Spotify's copyright-free Twitch gaming stream, gaming music, lo-fi chill hop. I like listening to that when I do CAD work. It's just kind of relaxing. So, anyways, back to story. I printed it off. Finally got it to print the other night. I couldn't when I tried to use the Prusa slicer. It wouldn't print. I went ahead and reinstalled the Cura, Ultimaker Cura, and put that back on. I figured out what was going on with it. It's because I swapped the drives, and I had it installed on my E drive, which is for CAD, and I was trying to move everything to D drive, and I did that all wrong. So I had basically just I had screwed it all up. So I reinstalled it back in the E drive. And so what I'm going to do, in the previous live stream, I had done 3 different bodies. I'd done like the profile, revolve it, and then went on a face, drew a sketch on a face, extruded it out, and then drew a sketch on a face and extruded it out. On the way home, I was thinking, and then I added the fillets afterwards, after it was all extruded. So, I did basically four steps, when in reality, I could do it 1 step. So, 0.25. Here's the mistake I had made. I don't know what's going on here. No, not 0.25. 2.25. That's 4.5. The mistake I had done was I had put 2.200, and I only wanted it to be 10 thousandths bigger. Well, I made it 10 thousandths smaller because I took the 5 out of there. 2.2. I essentially made it 100 thousandths smaller. That was my dingus, because I didn't think of it as 250. When in reality, if I wanted to do it 10 thousandths, I needed 245. That's what I needed. I'm also going to so let's draw this back again. I needed that to be just a hair over an inch, half an inch, 0.5. A 16th is 0.62, so 0.562. Use the key L. No, I was going to do the offset. I could show the offset. I needed that offset 1/8 of an inch. 125. Boom. So that's that. So this is what I had done. And then revolved it and created a body. And then extruded off of that, the face, sketch onto the face and extrude it. What I didn't think about is I could have done this. Let me do a construction line. Let me set my axis. Construction. Let's just go ahead and make it 2 inches. See? I get a construction line. Because that can be the axis. line. Took construction off. Offset this line. Negative 0.5. I didn't need it to be that big. I don't remember. Like I said in the last video, I was just pulling numbers out of space. Not really caring, so I don't need it to be that big. Let's just do it as construction line because I don't need this whole long line. Michael Romero. Hey, Michael. I have chat popped up, and looks like Michael. He's usually popping in for Ace High Racing, so he just popped into my chat, is watching. Yeah, I had 3D printed a plug for a hole. That sounded kind of weird. I'm basically making a plug tool for painting a part at work, and just some random stuff. Streaming random stuff. Not necessarily always have to be streaming iRacing, so I don't know. Let's see, 0.5. No, not 0. 0.25. So that will be a 1/2 inch. Just throwing some construction lines up right now. Let's offset. No, I don't want to do that. So let's do a vertical line. No, didn't need 0.75. Delete that. Delete. Looks way too advanced for your brain. It's math. It's geometry. I really I excelled at geometry. So doing the proofs, everybody else hated the proofs, and I really liked it. So it's not too advanced. I mean, it's just really. I'm doing it a simpler way than I did yesterday. Nope. Let's trim this. Boom. So yeah, basically I have this shape here. This blue is a solid piece. Let's do the fillets. Let's go ahead and fillet these. There. So now I just take this profile, select the profile, select my axis, revolve. Oh, and that's what I did. So I literally just took, yesterday I had done this piece, the revolve, and then I did these as 2 separate bodies, extrusions, and then the fillets. So I just did it in a simpler method than what I did in the other stream a couple weeks ago. So 3D print, export. Oh, so that's all new to me too. Export. I don't remember choosing 3MF. What is this? Properties. Okay, it's an STL. Cancel. Unit millimeter. Select. Okay. 4.5 inch plug. Yes, I want to overwrite it. So now I go back. So this is the original one I had done, and I had multiple. Each fillet was its own process. This was a body, this is a body, this is a body. So the way I just did it, it's all one piece instead of 3 separate pieces and then all the fillets in there. So now I'm just going to import it into Ultimaker Cura and create the G code. What do I have? 205, 70 bed plate. That seemed to work, yes. 60, initial speed 20. So yeah, there are going to be supports under here. Slicing, 5 hours, 32 minutes. Oh, I don't got my memory card. So, save it to disk. Desktop. Okay, now it's time for me to take that to the 3D printer. And obviously I can't stream that because I don't have multiple cameras. So that's it for that. I'm going to go ahead and call it a day for streaming. Thanks for watching. On to the next.